Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Friends, recently I heard the news of disengagement between Indian Army and Chinese Army at Eastern Ladakh LAC. Uh, Probably 3 weeks back, I had given a prediction that I don't see any kind of disengagement, but I also don't see any war between India and China. But yes, things are going to remain same. The tension will prevail. That's what I had predicted in that prediction, which I'll be uh, giving link of that prediction. I'll giving in description area. Now, after those news, I decided to do one more reading. So this is the reading. Now, will China get back to the positions of April 2020? This card. No way they are backing off. Why? This card. This card clearly indicates that they are just waiting for right opportunity. They are not going to follow what they are saying. Never trust China. They will not follow what they are saying. They are not going to dismantle any infrastructure between F4 and F8. They are just waiting for right opportunity. So the tussles between Indian army and Chinese army will carry on, and in between China will also try to take some kind of risk to capture the positions Indian army had recaptured from them. They will be taking some risk, but under global pressure. And here Queen of Wands card, Indian army looks equally ready. Here on one hand they are ready to talk, but on other hand this queen is holding the sword that either you talk, if you don't want to talk, I am ready to fight also. That's what the position Indian army is having right now. So although there will not be any war between India and China in the year 2021, but I also don't see any major disengagement between these two armies at LAC in Eastern Ladakh. In fact, maybe in coming months, tensions will prevail or will become more between these two armies. Some kind of, I can, looking at these cards, I expect some more tussles between the soldiers of these two armies, Indian army and Chinese army. So that's it. That's my reading. Thank you.